Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Webull account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Webull tax documents? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Webull tax documents anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that oftentimes your CPA or your bookkeeper asks for all of your account tax documents. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Webull dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Webull account, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to get your tax documents to Webull, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little gray person icon. Once you do that, you want to click on My Account. Once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button here, E-Documents. Okay, once you do that, it's going to give you this menu here on the top. So if you want your stocks or securities tax documents, you're going to click here. If you need your crypto tax documents, that's going to be right here. It's always going to show you the most recent tax year here at the top, but if you need a historical tax document, they're going to be located down here. So all you're going to do is just click on the square, and it'll download your tax documents to Webull. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Webull tax documents, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.